What if I told you that focusing on cleansing just your liver or just your kidneys is like washing only one window in a dirty house? Toxins don't respect organ boundaries. They affect your entire body at the cellular level. Today, I'll show you 12 power foods that detoxify your whole body simultaneously and reveal the breakthrough technology that's helping thousands supercharge this process for remarkable health transformations. If you've been struggling with fatigue, brain fog, joint pain, or just feeling off despite trying various cleanses, you're not alone. Most detox approaches fail because they target only one organ system while ignoring how everything in your body is interconnected. There's really only one disease, cellular malfunction, and two causes, deficiency and toxicity. When your cells are properly nourished and free from toxins, they function optimally and your body heals itself. I'll explain why organ-specific cleanses fall short, introduce the 12 power foods that support multiple detox systems at once, and show how stem cell activation technology is revolutionizing detox. Stay with me for a 30-day protocol that combines these approaches for maximum results and a real-life transformation story that will inspire you. First, here are the 12 power foods that support every detox pathway: cellular, liver, kidney, lymphatic, gut, and skin. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and kale activate detox enzymes throughout your body. Beets improve bile flow, blood circulation, and antioxidant protection. Berries neutralize free radicals, support blood vessels, and boost lymphatic flow. Fermented foods restore your microbiome, enhance liver function, and strengthen immunity. Turmeric reduces inflammation, boosts liver enzymes, and activates cellular detox pathways. Garlic's sulfur compounds drive glutathione production, immune health, and circulation. Leafy greens alkalize your body, bind toxins, and support kidney filtration. Cilantro binds heavy metals. Apple's pectin and quercetin trap toxins in your gut and support cellular detox. Avocados supply glutathione and healthy fats for bile production and cellular protection. Medicinal mushrooms like reishi and shiitake bolster immunity and protect cells. And olive oil's anti-inflammatory compounds support bile flow, gut health, and cell membranes. These foods create a synergistic foundation, but we can go further. As we age, our stem cells become less active, reducing our ability to detoxify and regenerate. A new, non-invasive phototherapy technology awakens your body's own stem cells, no injections or drugs required. Activated stem cells accelerate cellular repair, reduce inflammation, improve detox pathways, boost energy production, and enhance tissue regeneration across every system. The result is a whole-body detoxification process that far outpaces any single organ cleanse. Let me share a remarkable story that illustrates the power of this new tech. Imagine being trapped in your own body for 25 years. That was Christo's reality. In his own words, "I was living in a prison of pain, 3 heart attacks, 1 stroke, fibromyalgia that felt like my entire body was on fire, sleep apnea so severe I'd wake up gasping, and a fatigue so crushing that getting from my bed to the bathroom felt like climbing Mount Everest." Christo had been to 14 different hospitals. He'd seen specialists across multiple countries. His medication list was longer than most people's grocery lists. Pills for his heart, pills for pain, pills for inflammation, pills to counteract the side effects of other pills. The doctors eventually just shrugged, he recalls, his voice breaking slightly. They told me, "This is your life now. Learn to accept it." Can you imagine being told at 45 that you'll never walk unassisted again? That you'll never drive? That you'll never be independent? His medical file was thick enough to be a novel, with a very unhappy ending. The conventional medical system had reached its limits. More drugs weren't helping. More surgeries weren't an option. More specialists had no more answers. I was in a wheelchair. My vision had deteriorated to just 17% of normal, and I couldn't even hold a pen to write my name, Christo shares. My wife had become my full-time caregiver. Our relationship had transformed from husband and wife to patient and nurse. Then, through a friend, Christo discovered stem cell activation technology. At first, he was beyond skeptical. I laughed in my friend's face, he admits. After everything I'd tried, after the best doctors in the world had given up, you think some tech is going to fix me? It sounded like snake oil. But with nothing left to lose, Christo decided to try it alongside, incorporating more of the power foods we've discussed. The first night, I slept better than I had in years. I thought it was coincidence. By day 3, the burning pain in my legs had decreased enough that I noticed. By day 5, I could move my fingers without wincing. By day 7, I stood up without help for the first time in years. His doctors were baffled. They ran tests, rechecked his charts, and even accused him of seeing other specialists behind their backs. My cardiologist actually said, "Whatever you're doing, keep doing it." My neurologist couldn't explain the improvements in my vision, which went from 17% to 40% in just weeks. My pain specialist was speechless when I walked into his office without assistance. Within a month, Christo had discarded his wheelchair. Within 2 months, he was driving again. Within 3 months, his sleep apnea had resolved completely. And within 6 months, he was helping others discover the same transformation. The conventional medical system isn't evil, Christo explains. It's just limited. It treats symptoms, not causes. It separates the body into specialties instead of seeing it as one interconnected system. My cardiologist never talked to my neurologist. My pain specialist never consulted with my sleep doctor. Each was treating a different part of me, but nobody was treating the whole me. What makes Christo's story so powerful is that the stem cell activation technology didn't just improve one aspect of his health. It addressed multiple systems simultaneously by working at the cellular level, just like the holistic approach to detoxification we've been discussing. I'm not just better, Christo says with tears in his eyes. I'm reborn. And the miracle isn't that I found some magical cure. The miracle is that our bodies are designed to heal themselves when given the right support. For 25 years, I was giving my body the wrong support. Now I'm giving it what it actually needs. Christo's transformation isn't unique. Thousands of people are experiencing similar results by combining nutrient-dense power foods with stem cell activation technology. The key is addressing health at the cellular level, not just treating symptoms or focusing on isolated organs. positive lifestyle choices, supported by stem cell technology. This is the best potent combo. And yes, many doctors know about it, but will not tell you. To get started, follow a 30-day protocol. Week 1. Foundation. Eat 3 to 4 power foods daily. Drink half your body weight in ounces of water, move gently, and prioritize sleep. Week 2. Amplification. Add 3 to 4 more power foods. Introduce 16-8 intermittent fasting, begin strength training, and practice stress reduction. Week 3. Integration. Include all 12 power foods, continue fasting, add high-intensity intervals, and refine your evening routine for deep sleep. Week 4. Optimization. Maintain all power foods, experiment with a 24-hour fast if desired, engage in full-body movement, and practice gratitude and visualization. Throughout, use the stem cell activation technology to awaken your body's innate repair mechanisms. The combination of targeted nutrition and cellular activation delivers comprehensive detoxification and regeneration. Your body is designed to heal itself when given the right support. By feeding your cells, removing toxins, and triggering stem cell repair, you unlock your natural healing intelligence. If you found this valuable, please like and subscribe for more on optimizing health at the cellular level. In our next video, we'll dive into targeting chronic inflammation, the hidden driver behind most diseases, and how to conquer it once and for all. Until then, focus on cellular health, and everything else follows.